Samsung's flagship Galaxy S23 series is among the greatest camera phones money can buy, but smartphone cameras are becoming more wild. With the introduction of the Galaxy S24 series anticipated for early next year, rumors are already establishing expectations for the S24 series camera hardware. As you would expect, it will be difficult to outperform the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200MP main camera, and a leaker claims Samsung is preparing gradual upgrades. According to Samsung news leaker S24 on X, previously Twitter, the S24 Ultra will also have a 200MP main camera with an ISOCELL HP2SX sensor. On paper, this sensor matches the HP2 down to the 0.6 pixel size and the first 3-inch optical equivalent size. While the upgrades to the main sensor may be small, reports say that Samsung will not enhance the selfie camera, but will instead provide a superior telephoto lens. For the 2024 Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung may ditch the curves totally and go with a flat screen and curved edges, according to famed leaker S24, who believes that based on some early data, the S24 Ultra may ditch the curved screen for forever. Since the demise of the Note series, Samsung has gradually flattened the display on its Ultra phones. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is a prime example of this. Despite having a curved screen, the flat display area is larger than that of prior flagship Galaxy phones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may be simpler to pick up and handle than the S23 Ultra next year thanks to its curved edges. The S24 Ultra is said to include a titanium frame, however, despite the switch to a denser and more expensive material, the phone might be lighter than the S23 Ultra. Another speculated improvement in the works is a switch to a 50MP 3x sensor, which could assist enhance picture quality for 3x to 9.9x photographs. In many renderings published by S24, the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen looks to be a perfect rectangle, with grounder frames that make it appear wider than it is. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.